Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a whirlwind journey to discover some mind-blowing facts about the majestic Himalayas. Let's dive in. The Himalayas are home to the world's highest peaks, including Mount Everest, standing tall at a jaw-dropping 29,032 feet. Spanning across 5 countries, India, Nepal, Bhutan, China, and Pakistan, the Himalayas cradle a rich mosaic of cultures, languages, and traditions. The Himalayan glacier feeds some of the mightiest rivers like the Ganges, Indus, and Yangtze, providing water to millions downstream. The Himalayas boast some of the most breathtaking sunrise views, painting the sky with hues of gold and pink. Subscribe for more awe-inspiring adventures.